Hello, this is Sudhir Kumar. I am from Andhra Pradesh and we want to take in bonding mission. Actually, we are doing lots of work, LCD work from 5 years or 6 years, and I have lots of technicians to doing work. Some cases are related to bonding mission. I have no bonding mission from till now, and my brother Krishna Patel, he is from Hyderabad. He taken before 1 year KD 891 model Veefix, and he told me this machine is very working pretty. When you once go to Veefix company, and they will support 3 or 4 days in training. That's why I came to Veefix company in Gujarat, Rajkot. From 3 days, I'm learning from here. Actually, here Vishal brother is from 3 days doing practice step by step in panel side and scalar side, COF related. All our parts is explained and did by practice. There is lots of knowledge from Vishal brother, and Veefix company is very good supporting to us. And after we take the mission, he also providing bonding mission support, and there is e-classes for 18 days. Sir, very good supporting. And I want to take KD 891 3.0 model because this is mission is front cam and back cam. There is so many features in this mission, and with low budget in this mission, very good working. We want to take good support from Veefix. Thank you.